Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. Just wanted to apologize for not uploading anything yesterday. My apologies. If you follow me on Twitter, you already know why, but let's get into this tutorial. Just slap some foundation on. Wow, magic. For this look today, we're going to do something very basic. We're using this lipstick from ColourPop, and what we're going to be doing is applying it. I don't really have to explain this part. You guys see me do this every day. And if you're new, I'm putting on lipstick, so you're just gonna apply the stick of the lips on the lippy sticks. My man going crazy. Also, there's no background music in this video, so I'm gonna get Angel slightly further away from the mic to play some piano for me. Alright, but this gonna cost you. Okay, so here we're doing the eyebrows, and what we're pretty much doing is we're starting out with a thin line and then slowly adding onto it until it's as even as possible. And we're not going to do a lot of work making it even because of I do not have enough time. So we're not really going to focus on making this 100% perfect, and it doesn't need to be, so don't feel like you have to make it perfect. Now we're just adding some eyeshadow primer. Finally remember for once. You'll see how big of a difference this makes when applying eyeshadows. And also, I'd recommend you get an eyeshadow primer because you do not have to spend a lot of money on eyeshadows. You can get away with using cheap eyeshadows if you have a good eye primer, and I believe this one is only $8. I'd also like to remind you that all of the products are in the description below. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just grabbing some pink eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm just spreading this across my eye. It doesn't have to be perfectly even because I'm going to blend out the edges later. And also, I didn't really plan out these colors very well. I actually haven't used most of this palette. I'm going to start doing more looks and experimenting with different colors. And if you have any suggestions or colors that you would like me to use, please leave it in the comments below and I'll try it out. I'm going in with a shimmery, darker kind of pink, and I'm just going over the lid part of my eye with this. I'm just blending it out with the same brush, and then I'm going to go in with a purple and go into my crease as well to give it a little bit more depth. Nothing too drastic though. And now I'm adding a shimmery white eyeshadow in the middle of the eyelid to kind of brighten up this look a little bit more and make the eyeshadows look a little bit more interesting. And we're blending it out with a clean brush. I'm assuming this is some type of eyeshadow brush. Don't ask me what it's called because I do not know. I'm using that same pink eyeshadow I used for the base to put some blush on my face, because why you gotta spend $35, $60, $70, $80 on a blush palette? Use the eyeshadow palette for everything. Come on, save that money. I'm powdering my face because I forgot to earlier, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's late. I'm tired. Oh snap, we done. Yo, dumbass forgot the eyeliner. Oh no, you're right. I did forget the eyeliner. Look, I'm tired. I've been writing a paper all day. Alright, I'm gonna need my cut of the payment for this background music. Alright, here you go. That's $1. Yeah, YouTube's ad revenue has been low lately. Post in the comments below any makeup looks that you would like me to try out, and I'll get to them soon. Well, anywho, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, smack that bell button, bite that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.